One of the strengths of Writer's Toolbox is its ability to teach you how to write better, deeper paragraphs, and not just one type of paragraph. Writers are taken on a purposeful journey where they progressively learn multiple paragraph structures. Each allows deeper thinking and more masterful expression. From the main dashboard, click Write. Select the Anne Frank character. You now have the choice of learning any one of 10 different paragraph structures, from the clear introduction to the originality of the slam dunk, to the steely lawyer, to the conclusion. Make your choice, then select Draft. As you begin, give your paragraph project a name. For each of the paragraph types, an easy-to-follow scaffolding tool guides you through the creation process. In the Tools area, Writer's Toolbox has automatically responded to the type of paragraph you're doing. You can play a video explaining how that paragraph is written, or see examples to guide you. When you're ready, follow the directions and start to write. Each numbered step represents a sentence, so follow the prompts. If the prompt suggests a particular style of sentence, you can easily bring that sentence style up on Writer's Toolbox. Watch a video and see examples of that sentence in action. Plus, at any time, Paragraph Creator allows you to brainstorm your ideas further, and if you wish, do a plan for a single paragraph. What you come up with is automatically added to your screen. Using these features makes the idea process even richer. Furthermore, a Hot Tips menu opens a deeper world of writing tips. Here, you will find everything from how to write more clearly to how to craft a title, even rules for using dates and numbers. There are language features explained, metaphor, alliteration, simile, all with easy-to-follow examples. When you've filled out each sentence required in your paragraph, select Preview. Writer's Toolbox removes all the scaffolding, and you see the entire paragraph in its total form. This is the ideal time to get feedback on your paragraph. Then, you can return to the drafting stage and improve your writing still further. At any point, you can toggle between the Tools menu and the feedback screen. When you're satisfied with your paragraph, select the Publish To tab. Writer's Toolbox gives you two clever choices. First, you can create a file and give it a name, like any other document program. But Writer's Toolbox gives you a second feature, which allows you to access your creative skills in new ways. You can send the paragraph you have just written to any piece you have crafted within Writer's Toolbox. This unique feature allows you to focus your energies intensely on a particular paragraph using all the tools at hand. And when you're ready, attach this new paragraph to an existing piece of work. When you're done, you can create more paragraphs or return to the main dashboard.